Me and my daddy. Me and my daddy, my one and the only daughter that he has. Are you foolish? The only daughter. I used to call my sister. I used to call them. My family. Nobody called. My daddy is dead, sir. I don't believe them. I can't say that 5 minutes ago. I want to go home. Please, let me go home. I can't. Mommy. Please. I just want to never go home. Please, that is mine. Let me tell her that she buy my ticket. Please, I can go home. I want to go and see my daddy before he gets buried. Please. No, I don't want to sit down, please. I don't want to. She's pregnant. She's pregnant. I don't want to sit down.
We came with nothing and we are going with nothing. In a million lifetimes, if I ever have to come back to her.
I'm going down where my mind don't know people want.
Daddy once said. Oh, wago weni. Oh, ni ago ni biti wa ori pele ti su. Alima, Daddy once said. Ayo ni lakaye. Ilakaye jino si. Aska when Daddy once said. Karimu. Daddy once said.
Wallahi to respond be like. Mo lo koko lu ti ja ibaje nsinsin.
Daddy once said. Alima, oh like your word. Daddy once said.
Lahun mi, ó pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi.
Anyone said,
Lọ́ládé máa bá Ṣákí sọ̀rọ̀. Agídí ẹ̀ pọ̀ jù.
Daddy, you once said.
Ṣé gbogbo ọmọdé ẹ̀ sọ ẹ̀ náà ṣe ẹ fi pro náà?